The performance of my car is slowly degrading. Pickup and mileage both have become low. Low performance of the engine and low pickup and mileage are caused mainly because of the deposition of carbon in your engine and other parts of the car. More than half of your fuel is wasted when carbon starts to accumulate. Hence, it's important to opt for decarbonizing. As a result, the fuel will burn efficiently and it will give your engine more power and increase mileage up to 60%. Also, the pollution level will decrease. How will I assure that my car has been fully decarbonized? You can compare the PUC Center reports before and after decarbonizing. After decarbonizing, you will notice that the pollution level of your car will decrease from 50 to 80%. Pollution level is high when your car has a lot of carbon accumulated inside it. After cleaning it, the pollution level will surely decrease. Furthermore, after decarbonizing, the mileage rises, engine performance also rises, and the car runs very smoothly. Oh, that's great. Do you need to dismantle the engine in order to clean the carbon? No, sir. We use Hydrotech's advanced and modern decarbonizing technique. It has the power to throw out all the carbon accumulated inside the engine without dismantling it within 30 minutes. Oh, so will you use any sort of chemical? No chemical. Chemical cleaning can cause many problems like corrosion that can deteriorate the engine. Hence, hydrogen cleaning is recommended worldwide. It's safe, fast and cheap. Sounds great. Let's go for it. Wow, the pollution level is 80% less than the previous report. Along with that, my pickup level, mileage and performance have also increased. I will surely recommend Hydrotech's hydrogen decarbonizing to all. It's the best, fastest, safest and cheapest.